Okay, third time's a charm, I guess. Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the Scrapyard. This is my third time making this video. The first two times it just mic crapped out on me. So hopefully it's gonna work. Let's see, my little ring light's still on. Yeah, it's still on. All right. Really, I haven't gotten that much done this week. Other than a little 3D printing, messing around with a trailer, and other than that, I haven't really got much for you today. I've been real busy. Got a building inspection coming up, and I'm having to rearrange a bunch of stuff to make sure I'm in compliance with the new regulations on the sprinkler heads. Everything's going to be 18 inches from it now instead of 12, so I'm having to move some bookcases and stuff. It's just a pain in the ass, but it's getting there. Anyway, let's talk about trailers, man. You know, that's what I'm gonna talk about. Um, I got these trailers. Let me show you. Turn it around here. All right. These are the same trailers everybody has. You know, it's the one from the Cal Drag team, and the one with the comes with a '53 Ford pickup, which is the same trailer except with this fairing. And I'm wanting a trailer for my Altards. My Altards are tiny, man. It looked dwarfed on this thing. I mean, man, I hate handling this thing right now. I done knocked header off one side of it. But and the back wheels aren't connected yet. But anyway, you put this thing on there, and it gets lost. I mean, you know, even with the body on it, man, you know, it's not gonna be much bigger than that. But it's just lost, man. The trailer's so big, man. It's a nice size trailer for a full size car, but one of these little double A Altards, man, it's just too darn big. So I got to thinking about it, and I had read somewhere that some of the early NASCAR guys built trailers with this stuff. This is Marston matting. I printed this out. This was the file I found was in 135th, and I scaled it up to 125th. Anyway, what this way this stuff works, it's got it's made of stamped steel panel, perforated, right? Got these channels put in it, so it's really rigid this way, right? But way it's worked, it has these hooks on both sides of it here, and it's got holes perforated in the top of it, and they'd lay it on the ground, and it locked together, and they'd like cover whole airfields with this. You know, there's a quick way to build and maintain an airfield. Well, anyway, after the war, I'm sure there were like piles of it in scrap yards and stuff because it was a fairly common material and I made a lot of it. And I had read somewhere about some early NASCAR teams using it as material to build trailers with. So that's the reason I printed that out. I just want to build me a trailer. So this is my little shorty trailer I've come up with. It's not finished. I still got to come up with I'll put some cycle fenders on it and detail it out. It still needs lights, et cetera, et cetera. A prop, and, other things. But yeah. So I made me a little shorty trailer for it, and it'll sit on there just fine without looking lost. These panels were 10 foot long and 15 inches wide, so that makes them perfect. At least for this, anyway. I mean, if you needed a bigger trailer, I guess you put two of them together or cut 2.5 and put 1.5 and make 15 or 20 foot trailer. But yeah, what would really be cool would be to use an old haul-away hauler as a pattern and scratch build you a trailer using this for the decking in one of those. I mean, I think it's kind of what it's supposed to simulate. It's supposed to simulate the pierced metal decking, which wasn't quite the same as this. Man, they had, there's some smaller stuff made in it, but I mean, I'm sure everybody's seen that stuff. But anyway, there's that. Made a little progress on the T altar a little bit. And I found me some brake drums. I gotta get back on that. But yeah, just that. I think it'll be a neat looking little trailer. Like I said, it's not finished by a long shot. And like I said, I've been doing some 3D printing. Lifetime supply of. I'm joking. I'm sure it's not a lifetime supply, but it's a pretty decent big supply of injector stacks I've printed out here in all sizes, man, from 6-inch to I want to say 14-inch on it. It's either 14 or 16 inches on this one. I got some longer ones up to 24-inch on the sitting over on the printer bed right now. But I wanted to show you these. The chrome one come out of the AMT Funny Car kit. The printed one, well, this hollow. I mean, the shape of the bell is pretty good. I mean, it's not quite the same, but it's close enough. Right? I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but anyway, I got some of those on the printer now. For these long ones, I think they're 18 inches, which is a hell of a damn long velocity stack, if you ask me. But all right, there's that, and well, I attempted to print a 1/64 Willis Coupe, 33 Willis Coupe, and I didn't have it supported right or something. It bulged out, but anyway, that thing will be kind of neat, I believe. Man, you just got a frame, man. You build it up like a model kit. But yeah, just something to mess with. Some Paxton superchargers. But that's been it for me. Haven't been doing much, like I said. Things have been kind of hectic around here. Things going on. But anyway, that's it for me tonight. Everybody have a good what's left of Tuesday and Wednesday and the rest of the week. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.